You're live, Chris.
Alright guys, so we are here, another day in the life of a real estate investor. Thank you, Brother Smitty, once again for working with me. I just want to give you, we're going to 2 or 3 locations. I want to give you a quick pan of what Hampton Roads look like, everybody. If you're not here in the Tidewater area of Virginia, you know, we're right here, right at Virginia Beach, and the water is just absolutely gorgeous today. Beautiful. It's about 70 degrees outside, and man, it is a nice day to be alive. But okay, we gave you that little clip here. You see the water. We got 2, maybe 3 sites to go to today. Our first site is going to be a project. Let me see, where we go first? Probably do this inspection. From time to time, people hire me to verify that their contractors are working. I do inspections for lenders, amongst a million other things that I would be doing. I had another lender contact me to do an inspection for a borrower to verify that they're doing all the work at the property, so they can do a draw. So what happens is when the lender loans money to a borrower, the lender may not be in town, so we go out there and we inspect the work to make sure it's done, it's up to par, and they send me a checklist of work that's done already, so that the lender can finance the next draw for this borrower. So we're going to walk through that, and if you want to see I did a full, matter of fact, 3 or 4 videos of this house prior to the work being done, so you'll see where it's come from until today. So I'll put a link for you to go back and see that. Our second location is going to be a property where we're adding a second story onto it. I've got word that we got insulation installed, and we got the siding, and today I'm going to pray that we are doing sheetrock today. So hopefully when we show up, we'll have some guys there. I think last time it was some Latino guys from Ecuador, and they were just rolling right along, doing a great job. And if we have time to do our third location, we are building 2 additional houses, and we have to meet with the builder today. What happened was we thought we were going to build a certain house that I picked out, and then we got the architect and the land engineer or surveyor to come out there and do their thing, so to speak. We found out that the lot is a little too small for the house that we picked. So we have 2 options. We either have to modify the current house or pick a new house. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to meet the builder and see what his recommendation is on this land here. All right, let's go to this first house. All right, guys, we're here at our first location where the contractor is, obviously you can see, he's been doing his thing. He's been really doing his thing. These guys, you got to give them credit. I mean, they've been rolling. So we've got some posts here that were redone that were probably rotted out. So it looks like they put those in. They look really good. It's holding everything up. The paperwork that I have here from the lender, we've got to just check a few things to make sure it's done properly. So let's see what's going on inside. First thing I'm seeing is the heating in there. Well, the heating in there, they put in vents for downstairs. You can see right here. One vent there, and there's another one over there. Before, I don't know how they did it, but they had the heating and air coming through the crawl, and the crawl space here is only about 7 or 8 inches, so I don't know how whoever built this house made no sense doing that. But these guys have relocated the ductwork in the ceiling. I think it's a great idea. All right, we're going on inside. You can see that they changed out one of the floor tile here, presuming that they did not, whoever did the floor did not have the proper support regarding the backboard. And this crawl in here, remember, it's on a crawl, so you gotta have ample support under it, putting that backboard or that do-rock down. Place that floor tile. Don't step on it, Smith. Again?
I'm in.
All right, so this is our new kitchen. These guys are doing a phenomenal job. Remember, here used to be a closet here for our ductwork to go upstairs. So they put the ductwork in here, and now we have a new place for our refrigerator. So we got a water line for the ice maker, refrigerator hooked up right there. So before there was no dishwasher, we got a new dishwasher here for our sink. I think it's a great idea. Then we've got, they moved, the refrigerator used to be here, moved over there. All right, so we're on the second floor here, and let's see what we got going on in the bathroom here. All right, so it looks like these guys, wow. Remember that old vanity that was here? I think they put it in the bedroom here. You can see it over there. Looks like an 18, maybe a 12-inch vanity. So they took out the stack, used to be a chimney here. It goes all the way up to the ceiling, which you're not even using anymore. Today, we don't even use stacks anymore. They use metal stacks. We don't use chimneys anymore. We use metal stacks to go through the roof. But they'll put a new vanity in here, is what he said. It'll be a 36-inch vanity. We'll make this bathroom feel a lot bigger. So I'll see if I can flash some of the before videos of what this bathroom looks like. All right, we're here at our second location, guys, at our second story edition. I'll very briefly, if this is your first time chiming in with me, I'll very briefly give you a snap of what the house looked like before we put the addition up. So it's really going very well, very smoothly. Painted the first floor has all been painted. Siding has gone up, and you see some of the metal wrapping is going in right below the cantilever there. But there's a few small things we're gonna have to do, fix that crack down there, and just little small things. Let's see what it looks like on the side. We got our new meter base. I'm not sure if the electric company is gonna run the power in the ground because our pole is right here. So they'll either run wires to the house in the air, or they'll run it under the ground to connect our new power line. But we haven't made a decision whether we're gonna change this first floor to a little darker gray or not. That's something for the executive decision meeting later. What's going on inside? Oh, yeah, we got our shutters up too. Looks so good. You're gonna kill my video. We'll be done in 5 minutes. All right, looks like the crew is here throwing down. These guys with a bucket. Where your skill set, dog? Unbelievable. I couldn't do that. I broke my neck. This is gonna be our new living room area. This is our new kitchen area. The kitchen will be wrapped around here. Remember, I'm sitting here, we'll be able to see outside. We got all the installation done. See the walls. Smitty pointed out we got a spray foam going in, or a moisture barrier. Put the sheetrock right on it.
But using latex paint, that helps to seal it so you don't get moisture penetration too.
They put the sheetrock right in, guys. This is looking like a house here going upstairs. Let's see what's going on upstairs. You got him right, Smitty? Doing that thing on the bucket. Oh. Wow, I think the sheetrock just got here today. I think the whole upstairs looks like it's done. So it's feeling like a house now. You're walking in, you got your closet here. Get your bed thrown over here and come up. Here's our first bedroom. Unbelievable. Look at this. Smitty, I know this was not like this yesterday.
No way.
The sheetrock was just delivered. Wow, there's another bedroom just painted here. There's a stairs, so we'll be coming down and pulling down access your attic. Extra storage. There's a bathroom. Wow. We'll be putting sheetrock around here, cement boards, so our tile will stick. Man, this feels very warm in here. There's our vanity. Come in, brush your teeth. Mirror. And a master suite here. This beautiful. Ceiling going up in the air. Wow. It's unreal. It's unreal. Master bathroom in here. We got a walk-in shower like I love. Dual sink vanity. And then your toilet back over in here. Do your business. What we got goes in for to make sure we don't have any air penetration coming in.
I mean, they're all doing
So the guy here, you gotta get this. The guy is holding the sheetrock and putting the nails. I've never seen this before. Holding the sheetrock and nailing it. That's crazy.
And walking on his
Walking in
bucket.
a bucket, you get the bucket ball. What he was just doing was using the roto zip to cut out the vent opening and the light opening there, so they don't have to worry about covering anything up. And it's faster. You see, it takes them about 10 seconds to cut that whole hole out, as opposed to cutting it and trying to match it up before you put the sheetrock up. Very fast.